Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.4 2Az engine, part of the AZ engine family, is a 2.4-liter, 2,362 cubic centimeters, inline four-cylinder engine produced from 2000 to 2018. It was a larger displacement version of the 1Az engine and was widely used in many popular Toyota and Scion vehicles, including the Camry, RAV4, Corolla XRS, Scion TC, and Scion XB, as well as hybrid variants. The 2Az engine came in three main versions. 2Az FE, the standard multi-point fuel injection, MPFI version. This is the most common variant and is largely what people refer to when discussing 2Az engine issues. 2Az FSC. This version incorporates Toyota's D4 direct injection system, similar to the 1Az FSC. It offers improved fuel efficiency and power, but shares some of the direct injection-related problems. 2Az FXC, an Atkinson cycle variant specifically designed for hybrid vehicles, e.g., Camry Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid. It focuses on maximizing efficiency through unique intake cam profile and high compression ratio, with electric motors supplementing power and torque. Review and opinions. The 2Az engine, particularly the 2Az FE, has a mixed reputation. While many owners report long-term reliability and high mileage, a significant subset has experienced well-documented and frustrating issues, primarily excessive oil consumption. Positive points. When functioning correctly, owners praise its good balance of power and fuel efficiency for its displacement. It's generally considered smooth and relatively quiet. Its versatility allowed it to power a wide range of vehicles. It uses a timing chain, which is a low-maintenance feature. Negative points. The oil consumption issue has heavily impacted its reputation. This problem, linked to defective piston rings in certain production years, led to significant frustration, high repair costs, and even class action lawsuits against Toyota. The 2Az FSC, direct injection, also suffered from carbon buildup issues similar to the 1Az FSC. Advantages. Fuel efficiency. One of its strong suits, offering commendable fuel economy for a 2.4L engine, especially the 2Az FXC in hybrid applications. Power output. Provides ample power and torque for daily driving in the vehicles it was installed in, ranging from around 158 horsepower to 177 horsepower, or higher combined in hybrids. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain rather than a belt, which is intended to last the life of the engine, reducing scheduled maintenance costs. Versatility. Its widespread use across various Toyota and Scion models demonstrates its adaptable design. Availability of parts. Due to the sheer number of vehicles produced with this engine, parts are readily available. Disadvantages. Excessive oil consumption. Primary issue. This is the most infamous problem, primarily affecting 2Az FE engines produced between roughly 2007 and 2009, though some reports extend this range. It's caused by defective piston rings that don't properly scrape oil from the cylinder walls, leading to oil burning and eventual carbon buildup on spark plugs and catalytic converter degradation. Toyota issued a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB, and warranty extensions for this issue. Weak cylinder head bolts / stripped threads. Another significant, though less widespread, issue, particularly in earlier models, e.g., 2002 to 2006 Camry. The cylinder head bolts were prone to weakening and stripping threads in the aluminum block, leading to coolant leaks and head gasket issues. Toyota later redesigned the cylinder block to address this. Carbon buildup. 2Az FSC, the direct injection variant, 2Az FSC, can suffer from carbon deposits on intake valves, leading to rough idle, misfires, and reduced performance, as the fuel does not wash over the valves. No hydraulic lash adjusters. Valve clearances are adjusted manually via shims, which can be a more complex and expensive service procedure, often neglected by owners. Catalytic converter issues. Excessive oil consumption can lead to oil residue clogging the catalytic converter, causing it to fail prematurely and requiring expensive replacement. Faults and breakdowns. Excessive oil consumption. As detailed above, this is the most common and widely discussed problem. If neglected, it can lead to fouled spark plugs, reduced engine performance, catalytic converter failure, and ultimately, engine damage due to insufficient lubrication. Head gasket/head bolt failure. Due to the weak cylinder head bolts, coolant leaks and overheating issues could occur, sometimes requiring costly repairs or engine replacement. VVTi actuator rattle. A common Toyota issue where the VVTi, variable valve timing intelligent, actuator on the intake camshaft can rattle on cold starts, especially as the engine ages. While annoying, it's usually not catastrophic immediately, but indicates wear. Water pump leaks. Some reports of premature water pump failure. Ignition coil failure. Like any engine, ignition coils can fail, leading to misfires. Oxygen sensor failure. Common wear item that can affect fuel economy and trigger check engine lights. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 2Az engine is generally considered good for its size. 2Az FE non-hybrid real-world combined figures typically range from 8.0 to 10.0 L/100 km, approximate 23 to 29 miles per gallon US/28 to 35 miles per gallon imperial, depending on the vehicle and driving conditions. Highway cruising can achieve better figures. 2Az FXC hybrid. These variants are significantly more fuel efficient, with combined figures often around 6.0 to 7.0 L/100 km, approximate 33 to 39 miles per gallon US/39 to 47 miles per gallon imperial, due to the Atkinson cycle design and electric motor assistance. Timing. The Toyota 2Az engine, all variants, uses a timing chain to drive the dual overhead camshafts. This is generally a very durable component and does not require periodic replacement like a timing belt. Maintenance. While designed to last the life of the engine, the timing chain, tensioner, and guides can eventually wear out at very high mileages, e.g. 250,000 km plus. Symptoms of wear include rattling noises, especially on cold startup. VVTi system. The VVTi system on the intake camshaft, and in some later Toyota engines, dual VVTi on both intake and exhaust, uses oil pressure to advance or retard valve timing. Proper oil maintenance is crucial for its function. Oil type. Toyota generally recommends 5W, 30 or 0W, 20 for later models. Full synthetic or semi-synthetic engine oil. It's crucial to use oil that meets API SN or SM specifications. Oil change intervals. Toyota's recommended intervals were often 8,000 kilometers to 15,000 kilometers, 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or every 6 to 12 months. Crucial consideration. Due to the widespread oil consumption issues in the 2Az FE, frequent monitoring of oil levels, and more frequent oil changes, e.g., every 5,000 kilometers or 3,000 miles, is highly recommended by many mechanics and experienced owners, regardless of the official interval. Using a slightly thicker oil, e.g., 5W30 instead of 0W20, if recommended for the specific model year, has also been suggested by some to mitigate consumption, though always adhere to the manufacturer's original specification or consult a specialist. Ignoring low oil levels can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Versions. The primary versions of the 2Az engine are 2Az FE, standard port-injected gasoline engine, found in numerous non-hybrid models. Power output varied slightly by application, but generally around 158 to 177 horsepower. 2Az FSC, direct-injected gasoline engine, D4 system. Less common than the FE variant, primarily in some international market vehicles. 2Az FXC, Atkinson cycle engine for hybrid applications. Optimized for fuel efficiency, working in conjunction with an electric motor. History. Introduction. The AZ engine family, including the 2Az, was first introduced in 2000, with the 2Az FE making its debut shortly thereafter. It replaced the older S-Series engines and featured an aluminum block and DOHC design with VVTi. Widespread adoption. The 2Az FE quickly became a staple in Toyota's lineup, powering millions of vehicles in North America and other markets throughout the 2000s and early 2010s. Key applications included Toyota Camry, various generations, 2002 to 2011. Toyota RAV4, XA20 and XA30 generations, 2001 to 2012. Scion TC, 2005 to 2010. Scion XB, 2008 to 2010. Toyota Matrix/Pontiac Vibe, 2009 to 2013. Toyota Highlander, some early models. Toyota Solara. Toyota Previa Estima Alford. Oil consumption issue emergence. Reports of excessive oil consumption began to surface, particularly for 2Az engines manufactured in the mid to late 2000s. This led to a class action lawsuit and a TSB from Toyota acknowledging the defect related to piston rings. Replacement. The 2Az engine was eventually phased out starting around 2010 to 2012, being replaced by the newer AR engine family, e.g. 2.5 L2AR FE 2AR FXC, which addressed many of the oil consumption and head bolt issues of the 2Az. The AR engines incorporated further advancements in efficiency and reliability. In summary, the Toyota 2.4 2Az engine is a testament to Toyota's engineering, but its reputation is significantly marred by the widespread oil consumption issue in certain production years of the 2Az FE variant. While capable of high mileage if diligently maintained, especially regarding oil levels, potential buyers should be very cautious and investigate the oil consumption history of any vehicle equipped with this engine, particularly those from the affected model years. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.